Wagwan Vloggity Blue. Me I go up on the road this morning, me and King Tavi. Tavi's supposed to have a show, so we just roll with him, you see what I say? And see Wagwan. So we are just there, capture some footage for you. Big up on yourself again, you know. But just do the vlogs them now, you know. Whenever I can, I just do them. I just do them. Alright? So we're hitting the road in a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands them live on the bus now, right? You don't have to go I gotta watch a race. Wagwan. That's how I'm saying. I'm running off a show, you know, do the Foodkaline. Where I pull up. So Wagwan. Reach the venue and thing, you see me? I walk around and now. Tavi up so I try. I go and chat. Me there so I walk. I don't know if a food pre or what. Maybe a food. Or just to try to get somebody to sort out the whole sound system thing. So I make you try. Go to race. I want to see this with it there. See it? It be me. Boy, I'm not seeing me just buy 2 chocolate. My God, man. You chocolate in my video. I think I live here, so I don't watch me full of diabetes. Fat. Man say I make a track to look some food around. Fucking love my David say I eat meat, so I try to find a ital eggs. No one ital try. I like them Rasta I tell about them not eat meat, you know. Them Rasta I eat meat, you know. I like them Rasta I tell them Rasta I eat meat. I eat meat, dog. Them Rasta I eat meat, dog. I don't eat meat, dog, for real. I didn't even know that. They might take one out to serve with the little fries, dog. I don't know. They take people in the cap. This is what you call it. Oh, you say Burger King. You see me? Burger King. You see me? Alright, man. Original. Burger King. You see me? You say ready if you go shell it, dog? Yeah, ready. We're going to bun off. We're off a bun. Foodkaline. So I'm going to go up there. Beer crumbs are left. Beer crumbs. We just have to feed everybody with lyrics. Yeah, but when I'm done, I'm belly full. And I'm going satisfied. Yes, that's exactly what's going to happen. No starvation around here. Everybody I get feed today. You want chocolate? Off it, brother. That me and tell you, here. Some man better know what they might do, here. Up that. What you say? What you just say? So where's some shoot here, brother? There's some shoot here, brother. If you don't want them, I don't perform, no, man. But just there because Tavi said we do so, you see me? Yeah. Come get some vlog footage. Get a pre now, watch it, because I never really come them side there, come stop like that, you see me? When I like party, them I go on there in my yard, you see? So we're there. You're forward just on Kevin. I go on wait. Kevin forward just on that. You sure say man not come up in seat now? Just forward just on the class and then the man say rain, you know, man. Just forward man, sit down right where you there. Just forward. No, nobody talking from them. You can't go. trap in a dog.
Man's them out in the I know so probably not see me. We're there wait see me having a performance.
Man, the boss I go blast.
Foodkaline I go blast. Excuse me. So we're there so I eat some food, you see what I say?
Consume some food.
Eat some food.
Well, you are eat meat, so you see me so.
Yeah, but a vegetarian, that me I say.
Nothing wrong with the vegetarian lifestyle.
Black cat dog, cross is that in a bad
Just
man.
been them never give me no ground food, that's it, dog.
But a vegetarian, I want to some boy, make the tree them live dog. Stop kill off like a tree them. I want to know yo. There's a reason we have chicken and cow and goat. I want to murder I tree them for what?
What?
Eh? What not murder I tree them for?
Oh, you don't know dog.
You can't explain why you not murder I tree them.
Dog, some have to live dog.
Foodkaline. Foodkaline. Step of Foodkaline. Yeah, and this is not alkaline. This is Foodkaline. Yeah, all the social media fans are there too.
And a man never knows that them can cook for them guys say ush, ush. And I get them with a food say ush. Well. Yo Frost, yeah, hear me? The man on the top chef with me. Let me tell you something, if you never done no cooking boy, you need to sort the beef. Because me up in a bad man style, yeah. Full of belly. You own up the pass, I want this in a feel like she Snapchat the place and me. Yo, remember she have you as a walk this morning. Never know my top chef baby. Yeah, the young imagine if you feed you, yeah, they come here. Who from the summer you wanna come back to wait and I'm away out. Yeah, we feed him baby mother when he bombard the last movie. And next one. Leave me alone with my glass. What's a man I go like them now and give homage to me chicken back. Look how much of them come with me. Look how much of them bar my pot and they will say by me a pot. Me don't really worry about the pots. Me don't worry about the turkey they can't consume me so gone. When you want the problem, where you gonna? We still up on the smoke, the money still in my pants. Family come here, put my belly and I say, eat me a full of chicken back. When you think so easy, make a joke and we eat that and get a shot. One to the back, like trash king that you don't believe in all that. And I prefer back down you back, from back, when the courage of the thing back. Sing it! Family come here, put my belly and I say, eat me a full of chicken back. Say the thing so anyway, make a way me I say, beat them up to say I shake that. Enough man to the back in a trash king that we don't believe in all that. If them say me run a road, we go pat pump up when the courage of the thing back. Yo, look at them, you see a chat them in my body. Yes, we are crying now that I'm nobody. Remember days with a king, things I say. No the rice and the peace for the curry. Can't take it up because it's in already, sorry. We could go there so we know you know everybody. Can't feel right, that's too much for the carry. So be like royalty and cooking for the family. So I know them see it and they back in my waist. I know them see, say yes of it. I said time, them try to raise up the back price. But we never stop fight and fight. Till the game the same. That's right.
Foodkaline. One more.
Yo, because. Yo, if you hear Foodkaline, say Foodkaline. Yo, Frost, if I'm not in the cupboard, I go boil that. If my mother in the kitchen, I go find that. They not so serious when it come down to the fleeters, eh. Them not them make me this spatula. Frost a soul the popping like wire. Let a flash show your finger when fire burn ya. You don't the thing them have to touch the supermarket, eh. Stack up me market like, yo. Babylon them be allowed the weed man. If you make it illegal, no care who they reach and don't be like everybody in a sequel. Girl, them a say I cook them in them that. They keep set up a table and wash that. But can't do no how ways we start. You know the book you can never eat that. Step up our silent classy. All them a go and them nasty. Anything I ain't ready. Disinfect that for water I can eat. Listen to cook that something me. And I the more you can chew. And if I cook up, I cook with the whole country, you mama, me and the late. How much we need one with it? We may eat my food for free. But I come to talk to another day. So what we can country today, we might have a day with the same. So they have all that piece of it, we need about cook and the city to take it. You can not worry, me can always boil up. If my mother had it in the kitchen. Want to say one more?
One more, yes, man.
One more?
Yeah, right.
Want a new one? Yo, start the beat. Play Swafi. Play Swafi. If you don't want a new one, say Aki. Say Aki. Yo, level. You know, them can't stop me. Yeah, them love me to the bone. He doesn't know me and the goal, yeah, they know that country is someone. So they tell him, Aki, just give me Aki. Climb on the tree and just pick up Aki. But she doesn't know, them they upon me. Doesn't box anymore, but try to take from me. Aki, me in love with Aki. People competition, they cope with them Aki.
Gotcha. She just asked me if I'm gonna put her in the next vlog, so she just catch you like see her over there, so. But she work behind the scenes.
Spoiling the frame.
As you can see, Tavi don't perform. Man handle himself well, you see me, proud of him, man. Started out, and I'm first performance, you see me. Foodkaline in these streets. We there so wait now. We basically soon go. Battery kinda dead. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for the bus to go now. You see me? Yeah. Steer it up.